In our first video, Simple RV Upgrades That Make a Big Difference, we promised to show you how we'd update these window valances, and the time has finally come. Today, we're removing the old fabric cover boxes that came with the RV and replacing them with fresh new material my wife picked out. Out with the dated look and in with a cleaner, more modern style that instantly changes the feel of the space. This simply budget-friendly upgrade is something anyone can do. It's amazing how much of a difference it makes in giving the RV interior a whole new life. Instead of stripping everything down, we decided to use the old material as padding and simply cover right over it. My wife carefully measures and cuts the new fabric, fitting each corner snug and smooth. It's a simple process that anyone can do, but the details make all the difference. Tight folds, clean edges, and neat corners bring a polished look. As each piece is wrapped in place, you can already see how this easy upgrade is giving our RV interior a fresh, modern style without the cost of a full remodel. Here's the old Valance dated fabric and a bulky look that just didn't fit our style. And now with the new fabric in place, you can already see the clean, modern vibe taking over. This small upgrade instantly makes the RV feel brighter and more open. No expensive remodel needed, just fresh fabric and a little time. Every window now feels like it belongs in a cozy, updated home on wheels. Simple DIY projects like this proves you don't need a big budget for a big change. From old and dated to fresh and modern, this RV makeover shows small projects can make a big difference. Thanks for joining us on the journey and stay tuned for the next upgrade. Please subscribe to Sean's Outdoor Journeys for more RV makeovers, road trips, and outdoor adventures. From the woods to the waves. We'll catch you on the next video. Goodbye now.